Ever since getting the Creality Ender 3, I've always wanted to customize and upgrade it, but I never actually gotten around to doing it. When I was first setting it up and building it, I was super excited to, get started customizing and doing all sorts of crazy stuff to the printer in order to make it look better and perform better. After a while, I got really caught up with the printing process, just learning how to use the printer basically. And I got so caught up with that I totally forgot all about the customization part. I hate to admit it, but I'm not really sure if I actually would have ended up customizing the printer if it weren't for this video. Since the printer in the video ended up looking amazing, it really inspired me to get started customizing my own. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. In the video, we ended up going for a red theme, and I liked the end result in the video that much that I just had to try it for myself and do it to my own printer. And since I'm a black and red lover, as you can clearly see by my setup, this color combination between the black on the printer and the red prints, this was just perfect. Just as a disclaimer, I'm going to mention that I haven't made a single one of these prints. These are taken from Thingiverse, and if you're interested in them yourself, I'll make sure to link every single one of these prints and the designer in the description, as well as the original video which I got inspired by. Now that all the parts are finished, let's add them to the printer. Even though the printer looks amazing, I feel like it's a little too similar to the one in the video. Don't take me wrong though, it looks incredible. Yeah, it looks incredible, but there's not really anything special about this one that separates it from the original one. So therefore I was thinking about painting some parts. And yeah, this can completely ruin the whole look or make it slightly better. I just hope it's the last one. I'll admit that the Ender 3 looks pretty good right out of the box, and comparing it to other similarly priced 3D printers on the market, it looks a lot better. It's stealthy, clean, and aesthetically pleasing to look at, so it's not really necessary to do any of these mods at all. And as you would have figured by now, these are mostly cosmetic upgrades and not functional ones. But even though it looks pretty sleek right out of the box, there will always be room for improvement.